Hi, my name is Grafton, and I'm going to show you how to set up your Trezor Keep Metal, mistake-proof backup solution for your crypto. Your recovery seed phrase consists of 12 easy-to-remember words that serve as your backup, so that you can always restore access to your wallet in case the wallet is physically damaged or misplaced. These words are taken from a specific list of 2,048 words. In this list, the first 4 letters are unique to each word. For example, from the word together, for the first 4 letters, T-O-G-E, there is no other word on the list. So all you need to do is record the first 4 letters. Now, let's get into it. It comes in this beautiful box. Once you open the box, you'll see what's inside, and that's the Trezor Keep Metal itself. A high-quality spring-loaded punching tool for precise etching, a pre-marking pen to eliminate mistakes, and a set of tamper-evident stickers to protect against unauthorized access. You will also need your completed recovery seed card from your hardware wallet. Remove the punching tool. Unscrew and remove the capsule from the chamber and set it back in the tray where the punch hole was placed. It fits there perfectly to make punching easy and convenient. Now, let's have a look at the layout. Each A to Z row is for one of the first 4 letters of your recovery seed word. The first letter on the first row, the second letter on the second row, and so on for letters 3 and 4. With the provided pre-marking pen and your recovery seed card, identify the locations where you'll punch the first 4 letters of each seed word on your Trezor Keep Metal. Once you have all the letters marked down, double check them to be sure you marked all the letters correctly. All good? Cool. Now, it's punching time. Grab the spring-loaded punching tool and hold its tip on the pre-marked letter and press down with enough force until you hear a click and the surface is punched through. It's really easy. Now, repeat the process for all of your seed words. After you're finished, double check the result to be sure you punched all the letters correctly according to their pre-marked position. Now, this step is optional, but we recommend to also roll up your recovery seed card, seal it with the included T-shaped sticker, and place it in the capsule chamber, allowing the sticker to overhang the edge of the rolled card. Once you're done, all that's left to do is close and seal the capsule using the short, horizontal tamper-evident sticker. Place it vertically over the capsule seal. Each sticker is one-time use and has a unique ID so you can verify and ensure that no one has accessed your Trezor Keep Metal. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Trezor Keep Metal. Be sure to hide it somewhere safe where nobody can find it.